We are in room number 421 at the Holiday Inn at Kodak, and we're gonna check in. Is it a slide in? It is a slide in. All right. So first thing in on the left is the bathroom. Okay, there they go. I was like, the lights are a little bit dimmer in here. Tissue, we got our hand soap here, our mirror, hi. We've got all of our, oh, those are so cute. All right, toiletries, makeup remover, lotion, the vanity. There's shelving space. I love shelving space because I can have the kids put their clothes in there, not be wet from the counter when they're getting changed in here for showers. Toilet paper's over here, toilets right here, towels. And I noticed that a lot of the hotels are switching to this where they're putting the pumps on the walls. We have a shower gel, a conditioner, and a shampoo. I've never heard of J.R. Watkins brand. I might try it out. I also have my personal stuff. So it's got the curved rod. It's a nice little shower. Ooh, it's got the safety handle on it. And a rain head. Ooh, there's a bag. Oh, there's a hairdryer behind the door. And that was my shoe squeaking. Sorry about that. We have a full-length mirror right here on our right out of the bathroom. We have a place to hang clothes. I'm actually going to hang mine up tonight, so that's good to know. It has an ironing board. There's an ironing board and an iron. Sweet. All right, there's a bench right here. Again, mirror, hi. And then we have 2 queen beds. Because our family is a family of 5, we rarely ever stay in a room that's small enough to have just 2 queen beds in it. So this is pretty cool. But here's the 2 queen beds. We have a clock. It's 7:55. Once we get everybody in here, it'll be 8 o'clock-ish. Is it tap? Okay. There it goes. Yay! There's the lamp. We've got our phone. Menu, or yeah, all this stuff for the hotel. Bible. Another shelf down there. And there is one outlet right here for our phones and or camera charger. I'm sure there's more outlets around here. Looks like they have Xfinity here, and they've already given us the password. Microwave, which is cool because we actually had leftovers from dinner. Drawer space. Cabinets, and yes, there is a fridge. Also cool because we have leftovers tonight. Yep, little mini fridge. I actually did not know for sure if there was going to be a fridge in here or not. Ice bucket. Our remote with the TV guide, and I'm curious if they actually have Disney, because somebody had asked about that. Number 55, Disney. So when she gets back from the pool, she has requested that. We have a Keurig in here for in the morning. Looks like we have a different brand than I've ever had before, but morning edition blend. There's decaf. Another morning edition, some coffee stuff in here. Probably do coffee in the morning. 2 chairs, a table, another mirror to get ready with. That's cool. And our room is interstate facing. So right here is our room. Window's kind of fogged over because it is dark, but it's okay. But yeah, we have interstate facing room, blackout curtains, and we are, oh, and one more little table over here. I wonder if we have another outlet over here. I can't tell. There probably is. But again, this is room 421 or 421 at the Holiday Inn in Kodak, which is right off of the 407 exit when you're heading towards Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.